Hi wonderful people, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll teach you ways to prevent poultry diseases in your poultry farm. Poultry diseases that is very dangerous in your poultry farm. When poultry diseases attack your poultry base, everything will go off, so you have to take these prevention measures. Number one is that you make sure that you clean, scrub, and disinfect your poultry house on a regular basis. Reason is that thorough cleanings keep bacteria, viruses, and parasites from building up in your poultry house. If you are new to this channel, just tap the subscription button to be notified when new video is uploaded. To my old subscribers, you people are doing wonders. Thank you for returning into this video. Just like and share so that other farmers can benefit from this video. Number two of ways to prevent poultry diseases is changing the litter. Never raise chickens of any age on old litter used by a previous flock of birds. When I visited my grandmother, when I went to her farm, her poultry farm, so I observed that she was using old litter. So when I asked her, because she lacked knowledge on that aspect, because of she's not exposed, she's not enlightened, likewise other farmers, it is not good. Reasons is that litter may have a build up of disease agents the new flock has not been exposed to. This could lead to an outbreak. This can cause high mortality on your base. So using the old litter is very harmful and it's not good. Number three is that you should be very careful when adding birds to your flock. Like after selling in the market, some people, they normally do that. After selling the remaining one, they will come straight to their flock and add the birds and mix it together. If you bring new poultry into your flock, especially adult birds from other flocks, do not mix them immediately with your flock. Chickens need to be quarantined in a separate house for at least 2 weeks. Reason for doing this is that the quarantine period will give you a chance to monitor the new birds for any signs of diseases before they are mixed with the rest of your flock. So another ways to prevent this disease we are talking about is monitor visitors. Some visitors, they cannot sit in one place. Don't allow visitors in your poultry house if they have had contact with other birds or have visited other poultry farms. Also make sure they are not wearing clothes, shoe. If they insist to enter your poultry farm, make sure they are not wearing clothes, shoes, or other items that may have come contact with other birds. Reason is that visitors can transfer diseases from one flock to another through their clothing, shoe, and unwashed hands. Keep white birds wide. Prevent other birds like pigeon and other white birds from coming into contact with your chickens. Reason is that free-living birds can carry disease, parasites to your flock. So another point is that using quality feed. Buy your chicken feed from a reliable source and never use old or moldy feed. Another one is learn about vaccination. Start a local veterinarian or university extension to see if you live in an area where poultry diseases are common. If so, vaccinate your chicks. Reason is that vaccinations will help the young birds develop antibodies against common poultry diseases. Make sure that you provide a well-ventilated building with enough space for the number of chicken in your flock. Reason for that is that proper ventilation reduces ammonia buildup. Another reason is that properly dispose of all dead birds and old litters. Properly dispose of all dead birds and old litter. Reason for doing that is that dead birds and old litter attract flies, which can carry diseases from infected to healthy birds. Create a sick bay. Keep all sick chickens separated from the rest of the flock. Reason for doing this is that diseases can easily be spread through direct contact with infected birds. Quarantine birds showing signs of infection, and if they can't be treated, call them from the flock to prevent the spread of diseases. Ask a vet if you suspect a disease. If you suspect a disease outbreak in your flock, get an accurate diagnosis from a professional as soon as possible. Reason for this is that since some diseases show similar symptoms, it's important to get an accurate diagnosis before administering treatment. Another one is practice proper procedures. Whenever possible, change into clean clothing and wash hands with antibacterial soap when working with one species of birds and then another or different aged birds. If this isn't possible, work with younger birds first before handling older ones, and work with healthy birds first before handling sick ones. The reason is that younger birds may not have developed resistance to diseases like older birds. If you are doing this in your farm, it will be very, very rare for a disease outbreak in your poultry farm. So try your best to make your birds healthy. Thank you so much. Bye.